Okay, so we're back with a little off tripod so you can see what's going on. What I thought was interesting was I did a very slow fill using the funnel into the oil head, and in fact I put a bunch of AW46 hydraulic fluid in here so that I could slowly fill this. And now it looks like it's a little too full, but I'm not going to empty that. I've checked all of the fittings. This was at around 15.9. I think actually it was over 16, because as soon as you plug this in, if you've already got the water pump plugged in here, where's my output? You can hear it humming and you see that there's water flowing. So I've set this to 1,000 psi with the little knobby here. I'm ready to turn it on. I was debating whether to leave it suction cup to the bench because it was holding quite nicely, or to put this foam pad underneath. So we'll see how it rocks. I'm actually curious to see if it even works. I'm going to put the camera back on tripod so that I've got two hands free to deal with whatever happens. To mention, after putting this air filter on, I had, while I was waiting for this, ordered another one from eBay, and I used my scuba tank connection. So I will essentially, once I see if this works, I'll have a double filter. This is a smaller filter. This is the main filter that came with it. So we'll see what happens. All right, so we've got cold water. We're at 15.5 Celsius. We're not supposed to get above 60 Celsius. I've got the plug in here. It's powered on, and I will turn the bleed screw. Let's see if it works. Oh, that's not a good sign. Maybe. It's working. Okay, so it worked, but it didn't like this, whatever you call that thing. So I'm going to close this off and see if it will pump, and we've got it set to 1,000 psi. Nope, doesn't like that. So let me start with it open. Okay, so I call this a fail. I've got no air coming. No air coming. And my oil is back down to the red line-ish. So I don't know what to do. And I think I just killed it. Alright, so that's a fail. I have either a defective air pressure or whatever, but nothing's moving. Oh well.